VW Sharan. We're going to change the screen in here because what the problem is, the screen keeps going on a loop. So you turn it on, it starts up and it'll just keep going on a loop and you get a clear screen and it's got a problem. That is a problem that you can solve. You can get a chip in the back and solder it, but it's quite a big job. So the easiest way to do it is just buy one that someone's already reconditioned and stick it in. So let's get straight to the chase then. So first things, open up this and you've got two screws, one there and one there, and they're Torx, I think they're about Torx 20 bits. So just take out those two screws there. Okay, there you go. There's one out. And then there's another. And here the radio keeps going on a loop in the background. Okay, now lift that up like that, that's right, and then you should probably be able to pull it out. Yeah, there you go. So that's out of the way, so then that gives you access down here to the back of the radio. The next bit, we've got to take this panel off here, right? So a lot of videos on the internet show you taking all this off. Trust me, you don't need to do it. So what we don't need to take that off, you don't need to take that off or anything. We can take this whole panel up, but we've just got to get this one here, which is a little bit tricky. So if you just start, so you just put that, that's why it's really best to go and get yourself a set of these tools, which I'll put a link on the internet. If you stick with us, when this pops out, I'll show you exactly where the clips are so that you'll know where you've got to put your thing in. At the moment, we're sort of going cold. We don't know exactly where the clips are. We've got that out now, but that was a two. We used two of these at the same time to get in and clip them. But once this pops out, I'll show you exactly on the panel where all the... Okay, so now look, that's come out. So if I can just show you the clips that you've got, you see you've got these clips here. So you're fighting against that clip there, and then you've got these clips here, look, that clip in. And it's the same on the bottom. You've got one there, and one there. If you look there, look, you've got little stubs there where it clips into. So what actually you're fighting against is here, look. This is really important. This is good info for people. If you know this before you're trying to pull it out, you know what you're pulling against. So there, so you need to put this tool down here, down that side, so that you can actually push that away from that clip there. Yeah, and these two, they just sit at the back there. They're not too much of a problem. So these are the two big ones that you've got to get clipped off. So to start with, you need to put it down this sides there and push it onto there and get that away, and then you can get them out. 4 bolts there. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're Torx, the same Torx as well. I think Torx 20. That. All 4 of them. Okay. So we've got all 4 of these out now. So the next stage, out like that. Look, no stress. This comes out, and then you've got your connectors at the back here. All right. So this connector is a connector that's got a little lever which you pull up, and then you can take that whole block out. And these are the more traditional ones that you pull up. So turn that over. Look, you can just see. So if you turn it over now, look, it's got a clip there. So you normally push that off the clip, and then that's it. The whole lot comes out. And then these, you just got a little clip at the top there. Look, with these, and you push that down. And then, okay, these ones, you've got a little thing there. You pull that up first, and then you can take that off. There you are. And then the same with this one here. Look, you just pull that up there with your nail, and then you can pull that. Then that comes out. So you've got that one with the little tab there. This one and this one you pull up, and this one you got the clasp. So there we are. We've got that hole out. So that's all out. So now we put the new one. So just for those that see the videos where they take this out and all that, I actually think someone's made a joke and everyone's just following it, because you don't need to do it at all. Because normally these used to just have like 2 little 4 pins you put in and pull it out, but they've now put it to a screw. But you don't need to take all this off. So anyway, this is the new one, the reconditioned one we're going to put back in. So we just literally connect those up. All of those are back in. So let's slide this back in. Installation is just a repeat of what we've done. Just put those 4 screws in. Obviously check it now that it works, just in case you haven't got a duff one. And then we'll screw all this back together. We've got 99 Luft balloons on the radio. So let's put the cover back. So you now know where those clips, put it in there gently. There we are, look. So you now know roughly where these clips are. So they're probably 2.5 centimeters, 2.5 centimeters, 3 centimeters from the edge. So you know where that. So that clip, you've got to push that in first before you can get it off. Okay, just push that back in and it'll see. And then just put this back in, which is your 2 screws, and then you've done it. And the great thing is, if you get one of these that has been serviced, they've put a new chip in it, generally means it's open. So a lot of the stuff that you didn't have access to before is now free. So you've got all sorts of different functions. Yeah, like voice recognition or something like that. That becomes a function that you can now use, where sometimes you have to go and get the dealer or someone to code it so that you can do it. But normally when these have been repaired and a new chip put in it, then everything's open. So over in Europe, a reconditioned one of these with the chip all done is about 400 euros. So for 400 euros, you've got yourself all back up and running. I always forget to the end to say, if you like the channel, please subscribe. If you find the video useful, give me a thumbs up. But the most important thing, just remember, you can do it.